Hello there, friends. Welcome to marleybird.com. I'm your Buy Crafty bestie, and I am the host of the first fall weekend Make-Along. This event is for knitters and crocheters and those of you who are Buy Crafty just like me. Now, as always, this is a free event with a VIP experience upgrade. You can choose either one. What's different this year is that you must sign up for that free event. So do not miss the form that's right down there below. Make sure you fill out your name, your email address, and then confirm that email. That way I can send you a link to the pattern when it goes live on October 26th and November 2nd. This year, we are only going to work on this make-along together for 2 weekends. This is going to be a quick project. You're going to love making the hat and the fingerless mitts. Before you know it, you'll have a plethora of projects complete for the gift giving season. So what are you waiting for? Join me for the Marley Bird First Fall Weekends Make-Along. Hey, are you looking for that supply list? Don't worry, it is sent directly to your inbox as soon as you sign up for this free event, or it's available in your Marley Bird House course module. Bye.